Hey, Elena here, and welcome to this exclusive review of AI Income Engine. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to connect complicated AI tools, struggling to turn ideas into actual income, then this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Today, I'm going to show you what AI Income Engine is all about, how it works, and most importantly, the 3 hidden gaps I discovered inside the system, and how you can overcome them to maximize your results. And don't worry, I'll be completely transparent so you can decide if this is the right fit for you. Let's face it. One of the biggest reasons people fail online isn't because they lack motivation. It's because they spend endless hours trying to piece together complicated AI tools, prompts, and platforms without a clear path to making money. Instead of building income, they're stuck configuring software. In fact, most marketers never scale because they get buried in the technical side of things. That's exactly what AI Income Engine claims to solve. It's designed to give you a simple plug-and-play system that automatically creates ready-to-monetize digital assets that can work for you around the clock. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Behind this system is Shadano, one of the industry's top-performing vendors with over 107,000 products sold and an impressive reputation built over the years. When you're investing in a product backed by someone with this level of experience, you're not simply taking a chance. You're leveraging a proven track record. One entrepreneur recently shared how he transformed complex AI tools into simple digital products and generated over $12,000 in passive revenue in just 30 days. And that's what caught my attention. Because after years of watching people struggle with technology instead of building businesses, I've learned that simplicity wins. AI Income Engine isn't just another prompt generator. Think of it as your own virtual income studio built around 3 simple steps. Step 1, activate your engine. Simply log into the cloud dashboard and choose a high-demand niche or offer. Step 2, let the AI do the heavy lifting. The system automatically creates engaging scripts, designs marketing assets, and builds the structure needed to attract attention and drive traffic. Step 3, publish and grow. With a few clicks, you can launch your automated income engine and begin attracting organic traffic and generating sales without complicated setups. Now, many people ask, can someone with no technical experience really make this work? Consider what top marketers have achieved using similar models. By focusing on trending niches and simple systems, some have generated hundreds of thousands of visitors and thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions without writing a single line of code. Others started with simple AI-generated resources and built recurring income streams that continued paying month after month. But I promise complete honesty. And while the software is powerful, I discovered 3 important gaps. First, the traffic acceleration gap. The system helps you build income assets, but it doesn't provide an aggressive strategy for bringing fast, free traffic to those assets. Second, the niche saturation gap. While it offers universal frameworks, it doesn't reveal some of the highly profitable, low competition opportunities available right now. And third, the scale and outsource gap. The software runs efficiently, but it doesn't provide a clear blueprint for handing off tasks and scaling multiple income engines simultaneously. Because here's the truth, software alone isn't enough. Strategy is what turns tools into results. That's why these bonuses become so valuable. Bonus number 1 is the Viral Traffic Acceleration Roadmap, a step-by-step strategy designed to help you attract targeted buyers using zero-cost traffic methods. Bonus number 2 is the Secret High-Ticket Niches Blueprint, revealing profitable and less competitive markets with strong earning potential. And bonus number 3 is the 48-hour hands-free scaling SOP, a simple system that allows you to outsource repetitive tasks and create multiple income engines working for you. On top of that, the vendor includes 10 additional premium bonuses to help you get results faster. And finally, let's talk about risk. You don't have to risk your hard-earned money. AI Income Engine comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can explore the system, test it for yourself, and if it doesn't align with your goals, you can request a complete refund. The risk is on them. The opportunity is yours. So if you're ready to stop wrestling with technology and start building automated digital assets that can work for you 24 hours a day, click the link below and discover what AI Income Engine can do for you. This is Alina, and I'll see you on the inside.